Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best soy protein powders available. Naturade Total Soy and Chocolate Flavor. If you're looking for a nutritious yet delicious addition to your diet, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Naturade Total Soy is renowned for its balanced blend of health benefits and rich chocolate taste. It packs 13 grams of plant-based protein per serving, making it a great choice for those aiming to increase protein intake without compromising on flavor. Each serving provides 130 calories and essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium and iron, crucial for maintaining a healthy diet. It's lactose-free, gluten-free, and made from non-GMO soy, catering to various dietary preferences and needs. Perfect for busy lifestyles, simply mix 2 scoops with water or your favorite beverage for a quick, satisfying shake. One of the standout features is its delightful chocolate flavor. Unlike some protein powders that taste artificial or overly sweet, Naturade Total Soy offers a smooth, natural chocolate taste that's both enjoyable and not overwhelming. To get the best experience, blend or shake 2 scoops of Naturade Total Soy with 8 ounces of cold water or your preferred liquid until smooth. It's versatile enough to be added to smoothies or used as a standalone shake. With only 130 calories per serving, this protein powder helps curb cravings and keeps you feeling full longer, supporting your weight management goals effectively. Aside from its nutritional benefits, Naturade is committed to quality. It's a small business and a Black-owned brand, which adds a layer of community support and ethical sourcing to your purchase. In conclusion, Naturade Total Soy Protein Powder in chocolate flavor is a standout choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake while enjoying a delicious, guilt-free treat. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or just health conscious, this product delivers on taste, nutrition, and convenience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. And as always, thank you for watching Product Critique.